Okay, number 10. 8A, 16C. Now, anytime we're talking about doing your greatest common factor, you have to look what's the largest number I could take out of an 8 and a 16. Easiest way to think of this is if you wrote 8/16. Who can raise their hand and tell me what number can I divide into an 8 and a 16 that's large? Jasmine. Any number that divides into 8 that also goes into 16. 4 will, but can I go higher? 8 does. So what I want you to do on here is write 8 parentheses. Parentheses. Now, when you have this, what do I multiply 8 by to make 8A? Who wants to raise their hand and tell me? 8 times 1 will give me 8A. Paige. 8 times 1 will give me 8. How can I get the A to come over 2? How do I get the A to come over 2? I multiply it by 1A, or you know what? I'm just going to throw an A there. Curl that a bit, otherwise it's going to look like a weird looking 9. Now, who wants to in here tell me how do I multiply 8 to make 16C? You're doing the distributive property in reverse. Trevor, what do I multiply by?
2.
2 what?
C.
2C.
Oh, yeah.
Plus 2C. Now, this is done. Now, they're telling us to go solve this. You can solve it 2 ways. I can solve it with my original question, 8 times negative 5, plus 16 times negative 1. I can use my original question. My original question's right here. 8A plus 16C. 8 times negative 5, negative 40. 16 times negative 1, negative 16. So I have a negative 40 and a negative 16 give me, what's my answer?
Negative 56.
Negative 56, but here's the deal. I got to straighten out the couple people and just explain this. Why is this not 2 negatives are a positive, 2 negatives are a positive?
Adding.
It's adding. Which operation is 2 negatives a positive?
Subtraction.
Not close. No, it depends upon the values of the numbers. Multiplying. Now, also, I could have went at this problem slightly harder. I could have put A at negative 5 plus 2 times negative 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Put a big bracket here. Put a big bracket here. What's a negative 5 plus a negative 2?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. It's not positive because it's adding. And then I multiply it by my 8 up front. 8 times negative 7, still negative 56. You can solve it one of 2 ways. One from the original problem, one from the simplified problem. Main thing is get an answer of negative 56.